and welcome to Tech Shorts. And this is what to do when you see a red X over text. When you see a red X over text, that means that the text box is smaller than the text that is written. So to expand the box and display all the text, we simply click on the box, click and hold this center yellow box, and we're going to stretch and make the text box bigger, displaying all the text, and the red X is now gone. Once we clicked on the box, you can see a toolbar open up. We can come up here to font size, and we can lower the font until the red X goes away. And this is how to get rid of the red X over the text. Thank you for watching.